Comet is leading global technology leader in the X-ray system and RF technology. We are based in Flamatt. Since 75 years, we are producing high-tech devices for RF system and the X-ray systems. As a new facility in our Penang, Malaysia, we wanted to increase our production 2 times within the 6 months of period. The challenge was we wanted to improve our quality of operations, we wanted to improve the efficiency of our production, and we wanted to have a digital single source of truth record in one system. We wanted to integrate the different IT solution within one system, for example ERP and the test system. Those were our challenges we wanted to fulfill from the solutions like 42Q and AWS. Time was the essential factor. 42Q is known for the rapid implementation tool. It is a cloud-based solution, and 42Q has capability to integrate all other IT solution at one place. With the help of AWS services, the major benefit is we doesn't need to take care of the IT infrastructure within the facility of Comet. After successful implementation of 42Q in Penang facility, we have kicked off a new project to implement manufacturing execution solution in Flamatt, Switzerland, which is our main facility and complex production. AWS and 42K team brought their manufacturing and IT expertise within our project that help us to achieve our goal.